Hi, it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Good morning and welcome to this morning meditation. This meditation will help you harness a sense of inner peace that you may carry with you throughout your day. Whether you have woken up feeling calm and collected or anxious and unsettled, this meditation will draw you deeper into the stillness and serenity of your core being. Begin your meditation today by finding a comfortable position. Once you are settled, I invite you to begin by simply taking a few moments of mindful breath awareness. Observe the natural rhythm and flow of your breath. Notice how this life force nourishes and sustains you through both waking and sleeping life. Though you may consciously guide your breath in a particular direction, it does not require any effort to perform its tasks. Take a few moments now to pay closer attention to your breath, perhaps giving thanks for its presence. Inhale, allowing the stomach to expand completely. And exhale, allowing the stomach to soften and all the muscles of the body to be relaxed. If you have woken up this morning with any feelings of heaviness, of worry about what this day will bring, see if you can softly detach mentally from this sensation by noting its presence in the body. Detaching does not require us to suppress or deny. Instead, it is a way of shifting our relationship to whatever we are experiencing. So beginning at the toes, gently scan your way through each and every muscle group, witnessing if there is any tightness, any heaviness, or any tingling that may be present there, and perhaps associated with your mental or emotional state. If you feel calm and at peace already, continue to witness this harmonious state you are in. Making your way up towards the head, tune into any muscles around the eyes, the eyebrows, and the forehead, seeing if you can soften this area even further. As you do so, notice if the breath or rest of the body changes in any way. Notice too if there is a shift in the state of your mind. Hold your entire body in your conscious awareness now. Breathing into each cell of your body as you rest here, with nothing to do yet and nothing to accomplish. Sink into the pure bliss of simply being here. The beauty of morning meditation is that it sets the stage for the rest of the day, granting us the opportunity to harness the energy we wish to experience as we move into the world. So I invite you to take a few moments to tune into your heart space as we explore our deepest yearnings. Drawing your attention to the chest, witness the heart opening and softening with each full breath. Continue to breathe through the heart space, seeing if you can connect with what this space represents to you. The heart is the center of our being, the meeting place of earthly and spiritual energies. As such, it represents balance, harmony, and wholeness. When we operate in the world from the heart of who we are, we feel a great sense of alignment with everything around us. As each and every new day opens us up to the unknown, moving from the heart space helps us to embody a greater sense of inner peace. Trusting the heart and allowing it to be our guide helps us to surf whatever waves come our way with grace. So tune into your breath now as it moves through the heart, seeing if you can sense the peaceful rhythm of its continual comings and goings. See if you can find a sense of inner peace alongside this subtle movement of air into and out of the lungs. Whether you feel sure or unsure of what this day will bring, there is always an element of uncertainty in life. We can be sure to some degree of what might happen, but we always come up against situations, opportunities, and challenges that we could not have predicted. As we surrender our need to control or to know exactly what will happen, we find a greater ability to flow with life as it unfolds. An inner confidence begins to unveil itself. So, take a few deep breaths now into the base of the spine, witnessing the expansion and contraction of the belly with each full breath. As you gently guide the breath into the belly, any residual stress within the body or mind begins to fall away. This deep belly breathing activates the body's relaxation response, or the rest and digest system. When the body is at ease, we are in a better position to take on whatever the day brings us. So, take a few moments of silence now to sink even further into this deepened breath. If the mind wanders, compassionately witness this as you come back to the breath to ground you comfortably into this present moment. You might sense a lightness washing over you, or an expanded presence that wasn't there upon waking. Tune into this expansion, allowing the chest and belly to grow even larger. From this place of lightness and presence, tune back into your heart as you check in with what your most authentic self yearns to embody today. It might be a continued sense of inner peace. It might be confidence. It might be compassion. It might be radiance. Whatever it is, ensure that it is aligned with the peaceful presence you are moving into right now. And then, take a few moments to silently whisper your intention to yourself. Frame it in the present tense rather than the future tense. Now, take just 3 more deep breaths, slow and steady, as you enjoy these last few moments of mindful meditation before stepping peacefully into the day ahead of you. Gently draw your hands to your heart, placing them one on top of the other over the center of your chest, as you silently repeat the words, "Peace begins within. Peace begins within. Peace begins within." When you are ready, gently open your eyes and bring gentle movement into your body. As you move into this unfolding day, remember this peaceful place you have cultivated within you. In any moment, you can return to this place through mindful awareness of the breath and through the stillness that lives within you. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.